Hello dear friends, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. In India we have many seasonal fruits. Now that mango season is gone and these kala jamuns or plums have come in. They are so delicious, they have very unique taste and flavor. So earlier I have tried out some mocktails, smoothies with this. Today I thought let's try out some raita because we all love raita with our meals. No meal is complete without raita, be it vegetable raita, onion raita, cucumber raita or fruit raita. Even I've tried out many other fruit raitas earlier, which you can also check out. I'll be sharing the links in the description box. Mango raita, pomegranate raita, watermelon raita, lots are there. So every day you can enjoy a different raita, because that's main part of them. We love to eat yogurt every day. So either you can eat plain yogurt or for a variation, make some raita with it. So let's get started and make this kala jamun raita. For this raita, we'll require jamuns. I've taken about 12 of them. These are also known as Indian black plums. Wash them very well. And we have yogurt as required. Honey, 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. And roasted cumin powder, 2-3 pinches. Ingredients list can also be seen in the description box. Now we'll cut the flesh of the jamuns, discarding the seeds. These are seasonal fruits. You don't get them all the time, so when they are in season we should enjoy them as much as possible. Now cut this fleshy part into smaller pieces, dice them. This is done. Now let's do the mixing. Take a small bowl and take as much yogurt as you require. I am making a small portion just for 2 people. So I've taken yogurt accordingly. Now whisk it very nicely. If you wish, you could add little water, but I like my raitas, fruit raita especially, to be very thick and creamy. Add a little bit of salt. This will also bring out little moisture, so I'm not adding any water. And little cumin powder. This is roasted and crushed cumin powder. 1 teaspoon of honey. Give it a nice mix. We are keeping it very simple because jamuns have unique flavor and the flavor should not be overpowered with other ingredients. Now dip in the diced jamuns. This way you can make raitas from any seasonal fruit. Give it a nice mix. I have earlier also shared many other fruit raitas. Grape raita, mango raita, apple raita. Check the taste and adjust if required. If you wish, you could add some black pepper in it too. Raita is ready. Instead, you can also add chaat masala if you like. Now, dish it out. If you are a first time visitor, I would request you to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so that you don't miss out any notifications whenever I upload a new video. Now we are going to garnish this. The garnishing makes the dish look more presentable. And raita is such dish that can be had every day with a variation. They make our meals complete. Garnished raita is ready. Doesn't it look amazing? So friends, do give it a try. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it too. Thank you for watching and check out these videos from my old collection. You might have missed them. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye.